everyone, welcome back to Win, Lose, or Draw. Today I'm going to talk about my Toyota Tacoma. It's a 2005 Toyota Tacoma pre-runner double cab. Well guys, it's a big day over here at the Win house. So the 2005 Toyota Tacoma that I have owned since 2008 with only 73,000 miles on it or 75,000 miles on it is getting sold today. Gets picked up here in a couple of hours and I just want to show you a couple of things about it. I've had just fired her up here. Vroom vroom. So it has got a little check engine light on there. That just means the engine's under there. But I mean, runs great. So over here, looking. Oh yep, parking brake. Take that off. That light's fine. Then turn signal, fog lights, all that fun stuff. This truck's pretty good. I did have a little bit of the sticky shifter issue, but I have since sorted that out. The back has no seat, but I have dogs and I do a lot of work and stuff, so that's why that is. And then we got the flatbed back there. But let's go make sure there is an engine under the hood, though. That's what that check engine light's for, to make sure it's under there, right? Oh, let's see. Can I do this one-handed? Nope. I used to be able to. Oh look, the engine's still there. Cold air intake, runs nice and smooth. Just did an oil change on her. New battery, new AC down in there, full AC system. New plugs. Yeah, I mean, what did I miss? AC, alternator, all that fun stuff. Yeah, this little kit, this cold air kit here, that was all right. Not a bad little kit. And then, as you guys saw, I got this little skull. I actually painted that on there myself. We got some new tires on this bad girl. Has wheel bearings, new wheel bearings in it. I threw in a 4-inch exhaust underneath this thing. Well, actually, I just kind of cheated on that. It's just a muffler into a muffler. Hold on. Custom. Did a totally custom exhaust. The stock pipes there were rusting out. The stock muffler, I just sawzalled that off, and then I stuck this on there, and then I stuck this guy on there, and yeah, pretty great. This truck is in really good shape for its mileage. What was it, 206? Yeah, 206,000. Built this whole truck bed, heavy duty steel, big steel channel frame. Toyota was kind enough to give me a brand new frame, almost $14,000 in stuff for free. That was awesome. Love Toyota's warranty there. Just build you a second truck. So I do have airbags under here on both sides. The air helpers, those fill up here. And yeah, like I said, I made this whole bed up, had all this custom made. We had all this rolled and welded, and after it was rear-ended. So yeah, that's what we'll get into here in just a hot second. Okay, so that was the walk around of the whole vehicle there. This truck, I have owned this truck since 2008 with 70,000 miles on it. 75,000 miles, sorry, I just double checked. And this is the longest I've ever owned a vehicle for a lot of my friends and family. When I was younger, I went through a lot of cars. I swapped through a lot. I think by the time I was in my 20s, I had something like 30 different vehicles in my name, or had messed with in some way, played around with, bought, traded, whatever. Then I got this thing, and this was the most expensive thing I had bought other than my house at the time, and I bought this right after that, right after I bought the house, which maybe you shouldn't do, but I had a good job. So love this thing, took this everywhere, drove this. It was my daily. Like I said, we're at 206,049 miles. And that's just to kick the headlights off and everything for the battery, so saving that. So like I said, you know, a couple days ago, like as you guys saw in those videos, if you're not, better get subscribed, go back, check out those videos. We were chilling on the boat, telling you our story on everything that we had going on with the boat, what our plan was there, and then our basement flooded with sewage. So that's what's bringing us to talk about the Tacoma today. So unfortunately, today it's getting picked up by a wholesaler. They're sending a transport company. I went through an interesting website called Patron. I hadn't even really heard of it, hadn't tried it out, but looked into it at the beginning of this year after we bought our F250 over there, our '08 F250, which is now my new daily. We checked on the wholesale pricing on that, and you know what? It was pretty reasonable back then. I thought I could list this thing for sale myself, and I spent a lot of time just dealing with people who just were interested in buying our house instead, because I don't know why you would park your car in your yard in a relatively decent neighborhood with a for sale sign that's pointing at the truck. I don't understand, but people are crazy sometimes. So, you know, whatever. Anyway, no one was interested. I don't understand why. Things got a rebuilt title, 206,000 miles, some rust, a custom bed, no back seat. I mean, you know, whatever. The more I think about it, I'm like, yeah, all the downsides, but if only you guys sat in the truck and drove it around, this thing would go wherever you want. The engine is super smooth. The mechanics I've taken this to have like little drips looked at. They're just like, yeah, your truck's in excellent shape. Everything's looking really good. I did all the maintenance on this. So unfortunately, when the sewer backed up, that repair is the same amount as us getting this truck gone. So wholesaling out the truck, just not dealing with anybody. That website, Pedal, pretty cool. Made a decent offer. Didn't have to mess with anything. They're sending a transporter. Like I said today, we were on the website yesterday, and they called within minutes of submitting the documents and whatnot, and they're like, yeah, we'll take it, we'll come pick it up. Yep, we're on the way. I'm like, oh wow. So if you guys have like a junk car or something older that, you know, rebuilt titles are hard to sell, I don't understand that, but whatever. That happened like 6 years ago. So if somebody were to find this truck out in the wild on the other side for a good deal at wherever it's going to turn up, I don't know where they go after this from Pedal, but pick it up. It's a great truck. I would highly recommend it. New tires, new wheel bearings. I mean, I did a bunch of maintenance on it, and then we bought that F250, and then I just kind of started doing all the maintenance to it, and this has just been chilling. I really ultimately would have loved to have made this like a fun toy, do a little lift on it, maybe go drag race it or something. Just kind of, that's what we were talking about doing for the channel. But, you know, the house comes first, so this thing's gone. It's got to get picked up today, and they're dropping off the check, and then I'm going to be calling up Roto-Rooter to come and get this whole thing scheduled up so I can get the house fixed. And then we won't have this issue ever again. And then, like I said, I have no idea what we're going to do with the basement right now. That's not even, you know, at the forefront of my thinking. I'm thinking we'll do a little bit more down there. So we'll see some house renovation stuff now on this channel coming up. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. That's the Tacoma. We've got another car that my wife drives, Laura, all the time. She drives it a lot. That's her daily. And then my 2008 F250, and we'll be showing you guys more of that. I'll bring you guys along to see those cars here. My very average car collection, I guess. So had to shoot this video about the Tacoma right now because, yeah, what time is it? Yeah, it's like 9:43. That transporter will be here anytime to this afternoon, noon and 5. So I just want to get this out of the way, and we're going to start working on the rest of the house, getting it all cleaned up and everything. So we'll be bringing you guys on. Comment, like, subscribe. Don't forget to get all subscribed up to this channel. This is the lifestyle vlogger channel thing we're going to give a shot, and hopefully post in pretty consistently. So comment stuff down there. Get this channel rolling. Go check out my other channel, The Reptile Room, too. Awesome. See you guys next time.